Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you our apartment. Let me go straight into the video. So this is our hallway. I'm going to take you now to the beautiful lounge.
So when we designed our lounge, we wanted to bring some colour in, and we went with a teal, a pink and a gold theme. First time we've decorated, and I think the wallpaper on that back wall there is looking quite good. We wanted a stunning feature in the room, and we chose this light from Lichfield Lighting. As you see, pretty amazing. We weren't sure whether the ceiling was actually going to hold it up or not. Also from Lichfield Lighting is the spotlight in the corner, which we chose to highlight some local artwork that we bought from an artist when we were in Ghana. The teal we added to the room using these sofas, which we purchased from Wayfair, and then just added some accent colours along with the cushions and the gold and the pink. Adding more gold to the room, we purchased the tables from Furniture 123, and then added a little bar in the corner, just bringing that gold colour out as well. The curtains were from our previous house. These were from John Lewis, and unfortunately it's a design they've stopped doing, so we couldn't get a matching curtain for the door, so that's still in progress. This is the one that was here when we moved in, so we are looking to change that. We wanted somewhere where we could sit and work, both in the daytime for our daily jobs, but also so we can edit our content. And again, this desk came from Wayfair with a chair from Furniture 123, bringing in that pink accent colour. And then added with a little lamp that we actually found in teal from TK Maxx when we were just out and about exploring. Okay, so moving through to our kitchen, and if you look at our before photos and videos of the apartment, you'll see that we had some very colourful red, green and orange tiles in here, which we've painted white, and some brown cupboards which we've painted blue, just to make it look a little bit more classy. There's still some work to do in here. We want to change the sink and the worktops, but for now it's looking much better than it did before. We've got a big fridge freezer in the corner and a built-in hob. And then moving round, we've put a little bar table and chairs just in the window, so we've got somewhere to sit and eat. And it's lovely actually sitting there watching the boats go past. I don't think we appreciated how wicked the view was until we actually moved in. So we've gone for a blue scheme in here and then tried to add some accents of orange, which we've done with the KitchenAid blender, which we bought from Harrods, and also the Bugatti kettle, which came from Selfridges. I'd seen the Bugatti kettle on someone else's YouTube video and thought, yes, I have to have one of those. And they did it in orange, so it just looks amazing. And then we've added the Nespresso limited edition they were doing in teal, which really fitted with the colour scheme that we were working with. So we've bought some Le Creuset and some Pro Cook accessories as well. Again, just to add the colour, but also when we're cooking our rice or our stews, they're really good to be able to cook large volumes and keep it all fresh. So our little bar table we got from Wayfair, and the chairs we got from Bolani in Switzerland. And again, really great addition to the kitchen and gives us somewhere to sit and eat dinner or drink wine or drink coffee. One of the things that really attracted us to the apartment was the amazing views and the outdoor space that the balcony gives us. It's not a huge balcony, and again, still a little bit of work to do, but it's a great place to sit and relax and just watch the boats go by. So heading back through the hall, we're going to go to the master bedroom. So we wanted to dull down the colours in here and have a more relaxed, subtle room. So we've gone with the greys and the pinks, which is picked up in the wallpaper and then in the accessories. Great bay window here, which makes a superb place to put my dressing table with all of my makeup. Just need to buy a bigger mirror for there, so I'm thinking a bit of a Hollywood style with the lights around it. So the bedroom does have an ensuite, but with an apartment this small, to have an ensuite and a bathroom just seems a little bit overkill. So we're in the process of changing that into a little bit of a closet. At the minute we've hung our coats and things up in there, but that's, I think, a project for the new year to make that more of a walk-in cupboard. So Mr. Mensa didn't like to be left out. He has a lot of stuff. So he too has a small dressing table in here with all of his jewellery, his watches and perfume and bits and bobs. So one thing the apartment didn't have was a lot of space, and we have a lot of stuff. So we turned the second bedroom into a walk-in closet and putting up racking and shelves and hangers so that we could house our ridiculous amount of clothing, shoes and bags. And I think it worked quite well. We've got a lot of stuff in this room. So we'll add a link to the video so you can see what this room was like, but basically it was a completely blank room. We used some beam finders to find the strength in the walls, and we used the B&Q racking system, it was really easy. Once we'd drawn it all out and worked out where everything needed to go, it was quite easy to actually get it all assembled and ready. And certainly works for me. It allows me to keep all of my handbags in here and hang all of my clothes and design it in an order where I can find everything rather than just have a mass of stuff that I can't find. So we both have a lot of stuff. We did the same thing on this side of the room. More shelving for shoes, and then a double rail, so that we can house all of Mr. Mensa's trousers and copious amounts of shirts that he has, and then go into some more racking in the corner for my shoes. Also doubles up as a little bit of a studio from time to time, so the camera equipment's in here, and there's another working area in case we're both working from home.
very much for taking your time to watch this video. This is our first apartment tour. There's more to come from us. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like the videos.